Hello my friends, I'm back in the greenhouse and it's mid-May. The weather this spring has been pretty cold and the weather has been going up and down. Today the outside temperature is going to be in the 80s, tomorrow it's going to be in the mid-60s. So the ideal growing temperature in the greenhouse is around 80 degrees. And I have my exhaust fan connected with a control that I built a number of years ago, and I'm using a plenum switch, and it's been turning on at 60 degrees. So when the temperature outside only gets into the 60s, the temperature isn't building up in the greenhouse. So I'm going to redo this switch, and I found one that will turn on at about 77 degrees. That's the closest I could get to 80. So I'm going to replace this switch. Right now the temperature in the greenhouse is in the 80s. Outside it's much colder. So, but we want this temperature to rise on the colder days, and we want it to get to the 80s. For the plants to be a little more vigorous in their growth. Right now everything's growing real slow and I'm not happy with how it's doing. So by changing this out, the temperature then will go up to about 80 before the exhaust is turning on, and that should hold the greenhouse temperature at a more pleasant temperature for the plants to be growing. So let me show you how this unit's made. I'm going to do a brand new one. I'll save this old one as a backup, and it would be good in the summer months when it's warmer. I could have it turn on earlier. So let's go and do it. Electrical box with cover for a duplex outlet. Hardware for the box, short cord, plug, and this is the thermo switch used for fans, furnaces in the plenum. This is 25 degrees Celsius, which is about 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, this is going to be mounted onto the box. These tabs are in the way. They can be removed. These screws are not needed. Okay, ground terminal, green to green. It's a green colored screw. Okay, dark to dark. So the black wire goes to the darker prong, which is brass, and the white, light to light, that'll go to the silver prong. And typically, this one will be smaller than this. This one will be a wider socket. Not necessarily though, but when you look at the duplex outlet, you'll see the hot is small, the neutral is larger, and the color, the smaller side is brass colored, the larger side is silver. And it wraps clockwise around the screws. This should have a clamp on it. I don't have a clamp. I am going to secure it with electrical tape. Mechanical joint first. The black is the live wire, that's the hot one. Apply the heat to one side, solder. This is resin core solder. Apply the solder to the opposite side. Green is ground. This is going to connect to the box. This is stiff, that's why I bent the other ones first. The screw terminals that I'm not using, I always screw them in. Just a habit. Less chance of something shorting out. Light color to white, dark color to black, and the ground. This is going to the thermo switch. So this will go on the dark. And you put it on clockwise. The reason for that is as it tightens, as the screw tightens on the wire, it doesn't twist off, it actually tightens. The white is going here, white on the light color, wrap around clockwise. You don't need to solder these. I do it just for the reliability. Holds the wires together, makes it a little more secure. Okay, the ground on the ground terminal. This is also grounded to the box. And instead of there, it can go into the box. Either way is fine. We adjust this, tighten this down. This will lock the cord, it won't pull out. And as you saw in the greenhouse, I have it hanging loosely. These could be soldered on, but in case I want to change the setup, push on will allow me to do that. I got to make sure that these do not come in contact with the box or we blow a fuse. (25°C), and that is 77°F. Now when I went into the greenhouse this morning, my the fan was running and it was below 60 degrees. So we need to swap this out. Okay, you can see the fan is running. It's 80 degrees, which it should be running now, but it was running this morning and it was below 60 degrees. So we're going to swap it out. And she's working. That's it. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.